Hello peoples, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. So as you all know that Ikaki is out and I'm a very big fan of Ashish, obviously the OG creator and everything. So I had some thoughts for Ikaki as a viewer, as a fan, obviously. My biasness might be there in the video, but if it is there, it is there, but I will also be very much neutral viewer and I will try to give my opinions like what I thought about the first episode of Ikaki. But at first, I will just be congratulating Ashish because the struggles which he has faced before giving out this content or giving out this like his dream project to us, it is immense. Apparently whatever he has said, apparently he has gone through a very emotional and very tough breakup. उसके बाद then he had this latent controversy and everything, जो obviously it was very nerve wracking for him and all of the other creators as well, to be honest, क्योंकि जो भी हुआ it was like very, मतलब वो out of proportion गया. उसके बाद उसका जो ब्रेकअप था, जो उसने बहुत पब्लिकली ही हैज सेड एंड ही हैज शेयर्ड विद द फैंस, एंड आई कमेंड हिम फॉर दैट. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, लाइक अ क्रिएटर and a guy being that emotional and to be that open about his heartbreak, सच्चा प्यार हो गया था then नहीं वर्कआउट हुआ, it's commendable for me. I really like him for that. After that he had his big glow up with the weight loss and everything. उसके बाद also he did face a lot of criticism because he gained a weight again, and then again a lot of fans were saying कि आप मोटे हो रहे हो. And to be honest, we are not in a position to judge anyone's body because we don't know anything about what that person is going through and what his lifestyle is and what physically he has, physically he has been going through. You might not know his body type, and we are not in a position to judge anybody's body type. आप मोटे हो रहे हो, आप पतले हो रहे हो, that is up to him. If he wants to stay fit and if he wants to work on his body, it is his choice. Whenever he would want to do that, he will do that. And ये बेकार जो controversy हुआ with the weight loss, बहुत ही बेकार. But yeah, like him hitting the gym and having the glow up and like going out, like taking himself out from that situation. And I think as a person has Ashish has also grown, I think, because me and Ashish are kind of the same age, I think so. We are 90s born, we are millennials, so I have pretty much grown up watching his content and we have grown up together. So yeah, like I think as a person he has also grown up because we obviously change and we grow up obviously. And also the Ellie Avram controversy, मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ बोलना नहीं है उस controversy के बारे में because the way people have reacted to that, it is just outright disgusting. मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं बोलूँगी because the way Ellie was attacked and the way people were judging Ashish because he can do better. I mean, I will not say anything because I really don't want, because it makes me mad, it makes me angry. So I will not say much. But yeah, that controversy was also there. Yeah, that was that. And after all of these things, he has finally come out with Ikaki. The trailer, obviously, I watched the trailer and I had expectations, obviously, because Dhindora being Dhindora was, for me, was on that level, and I was also expecting the same kind of thing with Ikaki, but I have only watched the first episode, so I will not be judging on that. I will only be judging the first episode. इसके बाद obviously a lot of chapters and all those things will be coming, and then I will be talking about it. But yeah, the chapter 1, for me personally, the humor. I think the humor was very outdated for me. Because it was very loud, because I have watched Ashish's content and in his videos mainly his humor is very loud, which मतलब पहले I did obviously like it, but I think I have outgrown it. So a lot of people are saying that his fans have grown, and being a fan, I am saying that yes, I do have outgrown that humor. It was very loud, and I think the first scene and the first when the friends were on the car and they were going to the place, like in every like every punchline there was this joke, this crass humor. I really did not relate to that because I don't know how the like लड़कों के friendships कैसे होते हैं. I did not have these kind of friendships, like every word में that we are chatifying our friends. But yeah, I think that was I did not really relate to that. Then उसके बाद after they go to the like the main जगह जहाँ like the whole scenario will be happening, because horror element में अभी तक हम लोग घुसे नहीं थे पहले ही. Like the humor was there, the outdated jokes were there, and
यारे नाला सोपारा के रॉकी रंधा ए क्या कर रहे?
अभी वो मजा नहीं आ रहा है, आप मोटे ही अच्छे थे.
एक तो जिसको देखो यही
everything. So yeah, so that I really did not relate. But Akash Doreja, I would like to mention Akash. I think his acting I really did like Akash Doreja's character when he saw the ghost and everything, the expressions he was giving. I think it really did hit the spot. And obviously the other characters अभी भी हम लोगों ने देखा नहीं है कि what they can do in the as a character or as an actor, because अभी भी the first episode है. Even Ashish has not given his best, I will say, because acting wise I have not seen what he can do. So first chapter 1 really I think for me it was okay. I was expecting a lot, to be honest, because मेरे expectations इधर थे, because obviously it's Ashish or the OG creator, the inspiration, and कुछ creators है जो मेरे inspirations हैं, and जब वहाँ expectations हो जाता है तो शायद वो थोड़ा I think as a fan वो थोड़ा problematic शायद हो सकता है. But yeah, he is like he did say that wait for chapter 2, so I am waiting for chapter 2. And a lot of elements like all the other creators, and there was this particular actor, I will say his I don't know his name and I'm really sorry about that. I only know Akash's name and Ashish's name, but there is this actor whose acting I really did like. I will give the picture. I think he was his humor was hitting the point, I think so. Like, for me I really liked it. But yes, overall, if you want me to rate chapter 1, I will rate it 7 out of every, because to be honest, I am not a critic. I am just saying whatever as a viewer I felt. That's it. So don't be like, you don't know anything. ये वो सब मत सोचना. It is just my thought, my opinion. And obviously, I am expecting a lot from Ashish. And I think he will deliver it, because after all, he is Ashish Chanchlani. So do let me know in the comments what are your thoughts about Ekaki. And if you haven't watched it, go watch Ekaki and do let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.